It took me 10 years to learn this, but I will teach it to you in 1 minute. 1. Life waits for nobody. Get up every day and keep pushing through no matter what. 2. Make sure you take good care of yourself if something happens to you. The world will move on and you will fall behind. 3. If you don't work to build your dream life, someone will hire you to build theirs. 4. Work in silence. 5. Don't regret your past. Just learn from it and move on. 6. No one cares. Work harder to become better each day. 7.
Talk and listen to God. He never fails you.
8. Rule over your emotions. A calm mind can handle any situation. 9. If you find someone better than you, don't hate. Ask them for advice and cooperate with them. 10. You're truly at peace with yourself when you mind your own business. If the story has inspired you, share this video with your friends and loved ones, and subscribe to our channel for more uplifting stories and valuable life lessons. Like the video, hit the notification bell, and join us in spreading positivity and happiness. Thank you for watching. Embrace the simple joys of life, and let each day be a step towards a more fulfilling and joyful life.